In this video, we'll learn about keto recipes. You can take your favorite recipes and turn them keto. Let's look into a few recipes to see how easy it is. It might be an excellent idea to buy a keto cookbook for your kitchen. Two of the most important keto recipes are the simple cauliflower rice and zoodles. They couldn't be easier to prepare. People can get frustrated on the keto diet when they crave pasta and rice, and these two recipes definitely satisfy those cravings. They taste just like the real thing. The zoodles can be used for any pasta dish. Invest in a calorie counter as you will need it. Omelet muffins. Make plenty of these ahead of time. They'll go fast. Ingredients: 1 tablespoon of butter, 10 eggs, salt and pepper to taste, a half cup diced ham, a quarter cup drained spinach, a quarter cup diced onion, a quarter cup chopped red bell pepper, a quarter cup shredded pepper jack cheese. Directions: preheat the oven to 350 degrees, coat a muffin pan with nonstick spray, whisk the eggs, then stir in the remaining ingredients. Fill the muffin pan with the mixture and bake for 25 minutes. Nutritional facts: calories 155, carbs 2 grams, fat 10 grams, protein 12.5 grams. Breakfast casserole. This is a delicious casserole everyone can enjoy. It will leave you satisfied until lunch. Ingredients: 10 eggs, quarter cup of whipping cream, 1 cup ricotta cheese, 1 diced onion, salt and pepper to taste, 1 package of thawed frozen spinach, 1 cup of sliced mushrooms, 1 pound of crumbled sausage meat. Directions: preheat the oven to 350 degrees. Whisk the eggs, whipping cream, ricotta cheese, and onion well. Season with salt and pepper. Add the spinach, mushrooms, and crumbled sausage. Bake for 30 minutes. Keto pancakes. Serve these pancakes with butter and sugar-free syrup or with berries. Ingredients: 1 1/4 cup of almond flour, 2 tablespoons of honey, a dash of salt, 1 teaspoon of baking powder, a teaspoon of cinnamon, 6 beaten eggs, a quarter cup of plain Greek yogurt, 3 tablespoons melted butter, 1 teaspoon lemon extract. Directions: stir the flour, baking powder, and cinnamon in a bowl. Combine the eggs, honey, yogurt, lemon extract, and butter in another bowl. Slowly stir the egg mixture into the flour mixture. Use 2 tablespoons of batter and drop on a hot griddle. Cook for 4 minutes, then flip and cook for another 2 minutes. Continue until all batter has been used. Nutritional information: 413 calories, 34 grams of fat, 18.4 grams of carbohydrates, 16.3 grams of protein. Apple red cabbage. Cabbage is a great vegetable to have on keto. This red cabbage side dish is yummy. Ingredients: 8 slices of bacon cut into pieces, 1 large diced onion, 1 peeled and sliced apple, 2 cups of chicken broth, 3 tablespoons red cider vinegar, 2 tablespoons coconut palm sugar or sugar substitute such as Splenda, 1 teaspoon ground cloves, a half a teaspoon allspice, a half a teaspoon nutmeg, salt and pepper to taste, and 1 shredded red cabbage. Directions: fry the bacon in a skillet until crispy. Add the onion and saute for 5 or 6 minutes. Stir in the broth, sugar, vinegar, spices, salt, and pepper. Add the cabbage and cook on low for 45 minutes. Nutrition facts: 160 calories, 7.8 grams of fat, 16 grams of carbohydrates, 4 grams of protein. Cinnamon granola. Store-bought granola usually has a high sugar content. Try this instead. Ingredients: 1 cup of chopped walnuts, a half cup shredded coconut, a quarter cup sliced almonds, 2 tablespoons sunflower seeds, half teaspoon cinnamon, 1 tablespoon coconut palm sugar, 1 tablespoon melted butter. Directions: preheat the oven to 375 degrees. Combine the walnuts, shredded coconut, sliced almonds, and sunflower seeds. Add cinnamon and coconut palm sugar and stir into the nut mixture. Spread the mixture in a single layer on a baking sheet. Drizzle with the melted butter and bake for 20 minutes. Nutrition facts: 180 calories, 19 grams of fat, 4.1 grams of carbohydrates, 4 grams of protein. Herbed omelet with smoked salmon. You can enjoy this omelet anytime, but a breakfast of protein and fatty acids gets the day started right. Ingredients: 2 tablespoons butter, 2 beaten eggs, 1 teaspoon tarragon, a teaspoon of thyme, salt and pepper to taste, a tablespoon of butter, 2 tablespoons of chopped onions, 4 very thin tomato slices, 2 smoked salmon sliced, and 1 teaspoon of capers. Whisk the eggs and add the tarragon, thyme, salt, and pepper. Melt the butter in a skillet and add the beaten eggs and chopped onions. Cook for 3 or 4 minutes until the eggs begin to set. Transfer the omelet to a plate and top with the tomato and salmon slices. Sprinkle with the capers. Nutrition facts: calories 239, fat 15 grams, carbohydrates 4 grams, protein 22 grams. Cheeseburger salad. This is your favorite cheeseburger without the bun. Ingredients: 1 pound of ground beef, salt and pepper to taste, 3 cups chopped lettuce, 1 small diced onion, 1 sliced tomato, a 1/4 cup of shredded cheddar cheese, 4 tablespoons oil and vinegar dressing. Directions: fry the ground beef in a skillet for 4 minutes. Add the onion and cook for another 5 minutes. Place the beef and onions in a bowl and add the remaining ingredients except the dressing. Coat with the salad dressing. Nutrition facts: calories 290, fat 14 grams, carbohydrates 6, protein 25 grams. Cauliflower rice. This very simple recipe is for basic rice. You can dress it up with vegetables, spices, or stir fry it. Use this anytime you need rice as a side dish or in a recipe. Ingredients: 1 cauliflower head. Directions: chop the cauliflower into florets. Place the florets in a food processor and pulse until you have a rice-like consistency. Cook the rice in a pan of salted water for 5 minutes. Nutritional facts: calories 21, carbohydrates 5, fat 0, protein 0. Zoodles. These zoodles made from zucchini taste like noodles. A spiralizer is the easiest way to create zoodles, but you can also use a mandolin. Zoodles get soggy very easily, so do not cook for more than a minute. Season with butter or shredded cheese. Ingredients: 1 zucchini. Directions: use a spiralizer to create pasta strands. Bring a pot of salted water to boil and cook the zoodles for 1 minute. Bacon wrapped chicken. A very decadent and delicious way to enjoy chicken. Ingredients: 2 pounds boneless and skinless chicken breast, 2 cups chopped spinach, 1 cup sliced mushrooms, 1 cup cream cheese, ½ cup cottage cheese, salt and pepper to taste, 12 slices of bacon. Directions: preheat the oven to 375 degrees. Combine the spinach, mushroom, cream cheese, and cottage cheese in a bowl. Season the mixture with salt and pepper. Use a mallet to flatten the chicken pieces to a 1/2 inch thickness. Use a sharp knife to cut pockets into one end. Spoon the mixture into the pockets. Wrap 2 bacon slices around each chicken piece. Brown the wrapped chicken in a skillet 5 minutes on each side and place the chicken pieces in a baking dish. Bake the chicken for 45 minutes. The bacon should be crispy and the chicken done. Nutrition facts: calories 390, fat 22 grams, carbs 3.9 grams, protein 41 grams. Cobb salad. This salad is very high in protein. Enjoy. Ingredients for dressing: 1 tablespoon olive oil, 1 tablespoon white vinegar, 1 teaspoon Dijon mustard, 2 tablespoons diced onion, salt and pepper to taste. Ingredients for Cobb salad: 3/4 cup cubed cooked chicken, a 1/2 cup diced tomatoes, a 1/2 cup blue cheese, 2 tablespoons blue cheese, 1 sliced hard-boiled egg, 2 cups chopped greens, 1 sliced avocado, 4 cooked and sliced bacon slices. Directions: arrange the greens on a plate. Arrange rows of chicken, diced tomatoes, blue cheese, egg slices, avocado slices, and bacon pieces on top of the greens. Combine all the dressing ingredients. Drizzle the dressing over the salad. Nutrition facts: calories 295, fat 11 grams, carbs 4 grams, protein 22 grams. Slow cooker pot roast. This pot roast is prepared without potatoes or carrots. If you add them, adjust the carbs accordingly. Ingredients: 2 pounds chuck roast, salt and pepper to taste, 1 tablespoon olive oil, 2 minced garlic cloves, 1 chopped onion, 2.5 cups of beef broth, 1/2 cup dry red wine. Directions: season the roast with salt and pepper. Salt and pepper the roast. Heat the olive oil in a skillet and brown the roast on all sides. Place the roast and remaining ingredients in a slow cooker. Stir the ingredients to combine. Cook on low for 6 hours. Nutrition facts: calories 242, fat 12 grams, carbs 9.8 grams, protein 21 grams. Spinach and sausage soup. This soup is loaded with flavor while remaining very low in carbs. Ingredients: 1 pound of spicy crumbled Italian sausage, 1 tablespoon of olive oil, 1 chopped onion, 2 sliced carrots, 1 minced garlic clove, 2 tablespoons red wine vinegar, a half teaspoon of oregano, dash of hot sauce, 4 cups of chicken broth, 1/2 cup whipping cream, 2 cups baby spinach, salt and pepper to taste. Directions: heat the olive oil in a skillet and saute the crumbled sausage for 5 minutes until it's no longer pink. Transfer the sausage to a plate and drain on a paper towel. Saute the onion, garlic, and carrot in the same pan. Deglaze the pan with the red wine vinegar. Add the chicken stock, whipping cream, oregano, and hot sauce and stir well. Season with salt and pepper. Simmer the soup for 5 minutes. Transfer the sausage back into the pan and stir in the spinach. Cook for 1 minute to allow the spinach to wilt. Nutrition facts: calories 137, fat 7.8 grams, carbs 2 grams, protein 11 grams. Tandoori chicken. Tandoori chicken is all about the spice marinade. Serve it with some cauliflower rice. Ingredients: 2 pounds chicken thighs. Ingredients for marinade: 1 cup plain yogurt, 2 teaspoons of lemon juice, salt and pepper to taste, 2 tablespoons of olive oil, 2 minced garlic cloves, 1 teaspoon of chili powder, 1 teaspoon grated fresh ginger, 1 teaspoon garam masala, 1/2 teaspoon cumin. Directions: with a sharp knife, cut several slits into the chicken thighs. Season the chicken with salt and pepper and drizzle with lemon juice. Combine the remaining ingredients in a large bowl. Place the chicken in the bowl and coat thoroughly. Refrigerate up to 24 hours. The longer you marinate, the more flavor is absorbed. Preheat the oven to 375 degrees. Line a baking sheet with aluminum foil and layer the chicken on top. Bake for about 45 to 50 minutes until the skin is nice and crispy. Nutrition facts: calories 145, fat 5.8 grams, carbs 2.3 grams, protein 17 grams. Curried lamb. Filled with exotic spices, this curry dish is perfect with keto rice. Ingredients: 2 pounds of lamb meat, a tablespoon of olive oil, 1 diced onion, 3 minced garlic cloves, a half teaspoon grated ginger, a half teaspoon turmeric, 1/2 teaspoon curry powder, a half teaspoon garam masala, 2 cups of beef stock, 1 cup plain Greek yogurt, 1 teaspoon lemon juice. Directions: cut the lamb meat into small pieces. Saute the onion in the olive oil for 5 minutes, then add the garlic, ginger, turmeric, curry powder, and garam masala. Stir for another 5 minutes. Add the meat and brown it for 10 minutes. Pour in the beef stock and simmer for 40 minutes. Remove from heat and stir in the yogurt and lemon juice. Nutrition facts: calories 329, fat 17 grams, carbs 9.1 grams, protein 36 grams. Cheddar biscuits. These tasty biscuits are great anytime. They freeze well, so keep them handy. Ingredients: 2 cups almond flour, 1 cup shredded cheddar cheese, 1 cup coconut oil, 1 cup cream cheese, 3 eggs, 2 teaspoons baking powder, 1 teaspoon baking soda, dash of salt. Directions: preheat oven to 325 degrees. Cover a baking sheet with aluminum foil and place the flour and the cheese in a food processor and pulse to a grainy consistency. Add the baking powder and baking soda. Heat the cream cheese and coconut oil in a small pan and warm until they melt. Stir it into a creamy smoothness. Whisk the eggs and add the salt. Stir the flour mixture into the egg mixture and stir until a dough forms. Use a tablespoon to drop the dough onto the baking sheet. Bake for 25 minutes. Allow the biscuits to cool for slicing. Nutrition facts: calories 106, fat 11.1 grams, carbs 2 grams, protein 3.9 grams.
Thanks for watching the Keto Recipes video. To learn more and get your own custom keto plan, just click the link below this video. Once again, to learn more about custom keto recipes, click the link below this video.